Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Boat Wave Astra watch with your mobile. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery, ideally over 50%. Next, download the official Boat Crest app from your phone's app store. This app is essential for pairing and managing your watch. Keep your watch and phone close together, within a few feet, to ensure a stable connection during the setup process. Once the Boat Crest app is installed, open it on your smartphone. You'll likely be prompted to create an account or login. Simultaneously, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device through its settings menu. This is crucial for the watch to be discoverable. Finally, power on your Boat Wave Astra watch if it isn't already, and ensure it's in pairing mode. Within the Boat Crest app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Device. The app will then scan for nearby boat devices. When you see Wave Astra appear in the list, tap on it to initiate the connection. A pairing request will typically appear on both your watch and phone. Confirm it on both to complete the secure connection. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Boat Wave Astra watch and your mobile device. Often, a simple restart can resolve minor connectivity glitches. Also, ensure your Boat Crest app is updated to the latest version, and check for any available firmware updates for your watch within the app. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. And hey, make meal prep easy with some great leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.